Hello elegant and welcome back to Misiwa and Shana. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome back. My name is Nelson and you can also call me Misiwa and in the comment section down below. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Just smash the red button down there, the one that says subscribe. Turn up your post notifications so that whenever I post new video, new content, you will be the first person to be notified. Like, my God.
Mr. Siwa and this is my name. Please subscribe. Mr. Siwa.
With all that being said, let's just dive into today's episode. In today's episode, elegant, I'm talking about a wonderful and laborious topic here. In this topic, a lady cry out, a lady that is in love with her husband so dearly, but the man is not in love with her. So she loved the man, but the man does not love her. So she cried out. She has been in this marriage for over 20 years. Before I continue with this episode, elegant, I want to make you understand one thing. Say this video now 2-in-1 video. For the first one, no need for me to read them, but I will just leave the post for here. Meanwhile, I will use maths just to explain what they talk for the post right here. Boy and girl, they live as husband and wife, as in boyfriend and girlfriend for their own house. And this girl now, can they chat with man wey be say they abroad. The man wey be say they are together dey for inside house. No say the woman wey be say he keep for inside house. They feel say a day will come, they will go do marriage. The man don't know say the woman don't they arrange with another man wey she want marry. Meanwhile, this man so now Yoruba, the woman na Igbo, and the woman come dey chat with another Igbo man wey dey abroad. So right, the woman they stay with this Yoruba man. The two guys are there for us. Come reach one day will be say the one wey dey abroad wey be Igbo man come tell the Igbo girl say I want make I put money for your head o. The girl no go tell am say I don't get person wey be say we don dey plan together. So for so many years o, the girl no even tell the man like that say things like that dey. So to cut the long story short, for this post, wetin they talk for this post, let me just dey explain. So the long story short, the girl come arrange her wedding with the man wey be say e dey Europe. This Yoruba man, no know wetin dey happen between the girl wey be say he dey feel say a day will come, you go put money for your head. You know say the girl one day they don dey plan her wedding, but he can't get to a certain day wey be say the girl can't tell this Yoruba man wey the two gather there and say she want go Igbo land o, she want go attend her cousin wedding o. Now the man won't give her transport fare, and na this Igbo girl na wedding na she dey go for. So the man this Yoruba man wants to give this Igbo girl can't give her transport fare, make take go cousin wedding. 1 day go, 2 days go, 3 days go. Yoruba man they call Igbo girl, they ask her say how far babe, how the wedding they go now, you know they come back home again. The girl phone number not come they go through. Since you know the family, now the man enter motor can go search for the girl. He reach the girl house now. Another story. Now the Yoruba man come they hear say the girl mother come they tell the Yoruba man say my daughter don't do wedding. I not tell you say you want to do wedding. Now the man say wedding guinea, which type of wedding be that one? Last week now me and your daughter I got a day now. As me and they even tell me say they go your cousin wedding. Now me give her transport fare, me take go the wedding. Which of your wedding will be say no let me know say she want go do wedding. And the woman say not get any cousin wedding where your daughter attend. Now her own daughter wedding now her daughter come for. So now be the post we don't see for here. So things they happen for inside life. You know, so I beg, if you live with the girl, try to understand the girl, and if you live with man, try to understand the man, because this kind of situation will be say this girl just put this young Yoruba man now. It's a very painful act, you know. You see the reason why we say a lot of things they happen for that Nigeria. Can you just imagine a man give you his own heart, he give you love you for who you be. You know, reason they plan to get to even do our own wedding, and you can do your own for the other side just a chat with a abroad man. The one you want marry, you carry you come abroad. You know, you never even know the man you want marry. The one you don't deal with, you don't understand, you don't plan with him and do the wedding. because say the man na Yoruba man, come dey for the Yoruba man present dey speak Igbo with man wey dey abroad, all the name of say you wan come Europe, come go do the as you dey see the reason wey things dey happen for Nigeria. Let's just say for example that Yoruba man, because of the love wey he get for that lady now, say you can't go do wonder for the girl parents eye tomorrow. Now they'll come see carry the poor man come out for internet say see Yoruba man wey don stab Igbo woman, or see Yoruba man wey be say give Igbo woman RIP. They don't know say things like this now they happen because let's just say for example now say that this man do to this woman, the woman not go, you no go see her funny, you no go see this kind of thing funny at all, because you go say this kind of man will be say if you do this kind of thing to her, so you go fit still kill her. So you just go make people wey we dey trust ourselves. Abeg, if you know say you no get love for man again, for you to just stay with the man, just let her know. And bros, I go still let you understand say if woman tell you say e no love you, not force woman, because if you force am, a day will come you go do wonder put for your head. And that is just my advice for that very topic. While we move to the other topic, a lady cry out. A lady that is in love with her husband so dearly, but the man is not in love with her. So she loved the man, but the man does not love her. So she cried out. She has been in this marriage for over 20 years. And the man never loved her, but she's just trying to cope. This is the kind of topic I talk about days ago about marriage, if marriage was necessary, because of things women are really going through in their marital life. They are coping just for people to say, hey, this woman a married woman, oh, now life. She for inside house, she herself knows say she not be married woman. Because even if you married and in that marriage you are going through a lot in that marriage, for me I just feel that is not marriage. Okay, it's managed, because she's managing in that marriage. That is not marriage. So this woman can't cry out now, can't tell people say she don't marry to this man over 20 years and she loved the man past. For this 20 years of marriage, the man not love her. Even if she dey die, even if she dey vomit, even if she dey sick, even if she want go appointment, the man not care, affect her. So the woman say, I beg, make people come still give her advice. So may I read out the post, may I see wetin our sister bring come out. So after I don read the post, me myself I go still give my own advice for the ending of this video. But you elegant, please make sure to leave your advice in the comment section down below. I go see read comment where people comment under our post, and then from them we go give out my advice. Now question that she asked is, how can I stop loving my husband of 20 years knowing he does not love me? So that is the question the woman asked, and I will leave it on the screen. Answer to this question in the comment section down below. How woman will take stop the love man? We say man not love her back over 20 years. Now she don't still love this man, and the man not love her back. So as she want to stop, because that 20 years now, as she sit there at this point now, even if the man not dey care about her now, she herself not see stop loving the man. That is why she just need advice for people like, because the man not care about her, he not even love her for over 20 years, but she herself still die for the man. Not you will be say they will talk about the man and say she not go like react, but the man they do according to the way she they do to the man. So and the person will be say comment for this comment, after she don't ask this question, one person can't leave you comment. You have given him 20 years of your life and love. You cannot stop loving him. It is all you feel and know. How do you cope knowing that he does not love you anymore? Do you feel that you have enough love for the both of you to keep it going? Have you been in denial over the years over his feelings for you? I am assuming both of you have already discussed this issue, and it finally hits you that you mean nothing to him. That is why you want to stop loving him. It's sad, but it's also the truth. You need to slowly let him go. Take it step by step. You will definitely heal you. Just need some time. Do not beg for love. That is the first person that comment on this post, and the second person can go like this, say, instead of trying to stop loving him, you can start loving yourself. Stop being a people. preserve and do things for him. He is an adult and a child. He can do his own laundry and cook his own meal. Spend time taking care of yourself, taking adult educational course, doing voluntary work in the community to meet people and raise your self-esteem. Start paying attention to your appearance. Eat right, work hard and focus. Looking good for yourself. If he is not blind, he will start taking notice, wondering what is going on. After all that he is done, for you still could not win his love, at least you will feel confident enough about yourself to move on with your life. Men are attractive to confident women. You see, so this advice wey this person dey give her, this our sisters now, is that the woman don too try to get the man love back. Let's just say she don't too put her own love over there, because if man don't love you, or if woman don't love you, there is no way that love is going to come. No matter what, except maybe you just try change your way. Just the last comment where the person say make sure they try do things. Or maybe the man go work now and you yourself dey house, the man won't come for work, you never see bath, everywhere dirty. That hatred, as in maybe the man they try to love you, but you they do worse. Maybe you are a dirty woman, or maybe if you want to talk about, you all talk format like poor. You know, go for reason now whether the thing mature enough, or whether the thing they respectful. You all talk and come out format like poor. So you have been with this man for like 20 years now, so you should know what this man like and what he dislike. That is just for me. And this last comment, this person really make a lot of sense. Change your way, and at the same time, make yourself useful. Yeah, make yourself useful. And most especially people when they do this kind of thing, now people will be say they just put all their body for the man. If their family for Nigeria need money, na the man. If the woman want go shit, na the man. As in everything will be say just concern her, the man. She herself not even they try to move herself. Make she even do one thing or the other. Make she even get one thing. We say she even they bring command for the household. So you get a lot of men. Now man they marry woman they put for household. But you get some men will be say they just get that jealous. Say this woman not even they come out for us. She not even know the one where she did for inside. As it will be so we also marriage. Everything and me. We go build her so his children will go school. She go eat too. She go buy pampers so everything. As in the man go just they complain. You know say as the way they say man is the head of the house. Not be mad. Not be you go still be head of the house. So not be mad to be head of the house. So you do things where be say you fit man of the house before they will call you man of the house. And woman, please do things where be say man will take respect you. Because if you see this kind of situation now, the man not get like single respect for this woman, because the man to see the woman finish. Now man ain't supposed to be love woman, not the other way around. If you the woman to love man, it's too difficult. Yeah, it's just too difficult for you to cope in that relationship or marriage whatsoever. You know, it is good for the man to love you the more. When the man they play with you because he already love you, so you go be like say they do shakara, they get me now. But if maybe now you love the man, then even if you try, men they get their mind is very very strong. Yeah, men. Their mind is strong, while women, the women mind are not that strong. That is the reason it is good for man to love you and not the other way around. So that is just all I have to say on this post. And then my sister, you that bring this topic, 20 years of marriage, let's just say for example you date 30 years where you know this man. That means you don't they go like 50 years now. You just a beer like they manage to this extent. After 20 years then before you can realize say this marriage not fit me. What you can say maybe people can't tell you now. Maybe people tell you say maybe leave the relationship, or maybe people tell you say maybe you die there. But for me, if I should advise you as my sister, I would tell you that you should leave that man, okay? Leave that man and focus on your life, okay? Leave that man and focus on your life. Focus. When they say focus, do a lot of things. So be say even the man who they see you, your own love will come strong past the one will be say you love her. So just do a lot of things. Even if you day house, you not they go anywhere, bath, dress, just dress make you dey shine. E get some women if you see their skin, food no go even let you no go fit eat. If you dey see their skin, you no go fit eat. Maybe na this relationship just be now, because you no fit tell me say over 20 years you just dey love man dey love man no dey love you. Like seriously, e no make sense now. So you go look the other way around. If maybe na your hand na the issue dey, so na just wetin I get to talk na be that one. So my people, if you have any thought on this topic, leave your comment down below, and I will see you elegant in my next video. Have a blessed, wonderful day. Do make sure to stay blessed. Okay, bye.
Mr. C.Y.N.